Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is part 2 of the Macy's Coach unboxing I did in my previous video, which arrived used. Well, it arrived scratched, so I'm assuming it was either a floor model or someone had bought it and returned it. And today, this is how it's supposed to arrive. Not all in just the bag where I could feel the bag itself. Usually comes in a box. So I'm really excited and hoping that this one is brand new. So if you want to see how this one arrived, just keep on watching. Yes, this is how it's supposed to arrive. Let's hope everything inside is also wrapped. The strap, by that I mean. This is why I know it came straight from the manufacturer itself, because they always come with a Coach bag, not just a simple plastic bag. Yes, yes, this is what I'm talking about. See this? Never been touched by no one, I hope. And, or who knows, maybe they gave it to someone and they returned it, because the price is covered up. This, as I said, retails for $3.50, but let me check it out, make sure there's no scratches. On my previous one, it had a really bad scuff right under here, but there's nothing on this one. No scratches, no visible scratches at the bottom or on this side. So far, everything's looking good. Let me take this off. Here is the Coach tag. Hear that? That's what I like to hear every time I open a brand new one. And the back of here. Bye-bye. So pretty. I really love it. Now that my lighting is a little bit better, you could appreciate that beautiful rivets, the color of the rivets. Super pretty. Beautiful. I love that it's gunmetal. I really love gunmetal hardware more than gold, silver, or black. I love it. And the quilting on it just feels very, very nice. Now inside, let's see if the dust bag is in there. I will link down the previous video of the first unboxing I did on this bag, just so you can see the difference of how the packaging comes and all that. And yes, here is the dust bag. Really nice silky material. Has a shiny finish to it. So inside, now that there's more sun, you'll probably be able to see the color of the inside of the bag. Let's see if I could. See, it's like an oxblood color. And like I mentioned before, inside is one zippered pocket towards the care card. And it's about this much of the depth. Here's the other side. And in my previous video, you can see that the iPhone 8 Plus will not fit in either side of these pockets. And here is the Coach. Has the serial number right here. Coach. So there's that. And so if you want to check out my previous video, I showed what fits in it. It's a good little size bag. It'll fit a lot. It's very spacious. Looks tiny, but it packs a punch. And as I mentioned before, the iPhone 8 Plus does fit in the back of this. And like I mentioned, the crossbody strap is adjustable. Hear that? Ah, that's nice. Brand spanking new. So pretty. I love it. And now I believe it's on sale for $210. When I bought it, it was $245 and was 30% off. Now it's 40% off. So hopefully Macy's can make a price adjustment for me, because of course that's like a $44 savings with tax included. It's like I should have just waited, right? So snatch one up before they sell out. And also you could use Ebates, which helps you save even more money. Especially when Macy's will have 10% cash back on Ebates. And it saves you another like $25 or $20. So sign up for Ebates. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. And I have my link down below. Also, if you're interested, you don't have to use my link if you don't want to, but it's there. In case you do, you'll get $10 when you make your first purchase. And it's free. Who doesn't want to earn cash, right? Just for shopping online. But anyways, retails for $350 US. So pretty. Can't wait to use this. Now, if you like this video, if it helped you in any way, shape, or form, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and please, please, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Help me reach my goal. Subscribe. Okay, now I sound like blurry. Never mind. Subscribe to my channel, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.